So I wanted to add some new camera angles to my videos. I wanted to implement different angles, shots, and just make it a funner ride. This might do it. And there it is, in all its glory. The Insta360. All right, I just turned it on. Doesn't look like it's getting an SD card. So let me go get an SD card and we'll get back to this. All right, I'm gonna record some stuff here, just a little test run, and just go over. This is what comes inside the 360, and I'm actually recording it off the 360. You should be able to see my entire house right here, all in front of you guys. Come back over here, and we're gonna look at this. Is the USB-C cord that will power it and actually transfer data. That's gonna be in there into your computer. You have a small little bag, or actually this is a cloth to clean your lenses, instruction manual, sticker, and a little carrying case to slip it over and protect it while you're transporting it. That's it. So guys, I went ahead and bought the motorcycle mount for this and the unicorn mount for the top of the helmet. So I've got my GoPro here, got the 360 here, and I actually can attach it to the bike. And then I also have the selfie stick coming in tomorrow for other applications. But let's go try this out, see what kind of stuff we can come up with. I'll see you guys down there. What's up, my YouTube friends? Today we're going to take this Insta360 out for a spin out of here on the Harley. Just got it mounted to the top of the helmet. Going to try a couple angles, see how we roll, but it should be pretty good. So let's go ahead and get down the road. Alright guys, let's get this done. Insta360, first ride. It is chilly out today here in Florida. I mean, we are having our once a year freeze. It's supposed to get down to 25. We'll see. But I just got my Insta360. I got a couple cool mounts, so I want to try them out. Get some ride time in. See how things look, man. But definitely gonna enjoy it. I mean, looks like something that's definitely gonna be pretty cool, you know. So right now we're just doing a little cruising. I'm gonna find out some places to ride around here. Yeah, I've been wanting to get and just get different angles, man. Make my videos a little more, got a little more to them instead of just the same old POV and the other, you know, angle where you're looking back at me. So just gonna get a couple cool shots and get back in the editing bay and see what we come up with. In a minute here, I'll pull over here at the golf course and we'll rack it up some other way and get a couple cool shots. I'll see you down the road. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and mount it right here to the back of the bike. The idea is to get the back view of the bike riding, just like this, as you can see here. I'm gonna do some riding around and see how it looks, guys, and then we'll try a couple different else things out. But let's get on the road, man. Beautiful. Let's do this. So guys, I want to try one more. I want to try doing a walk around. So you should be able to see me from all different angles as I'm looking onto the bike. The bike is looking onto me. But we should be able to catch me walking around right now. So let's do this. We're gonna do this, hang out, and then we're gonna move over here. Come over here and hang out. How you doing? Looking at that. And then we're gonna come over here and hang out. But yeah, just a little walk around the bike, guys. Let's get back on this thing and let's go home and check out what kind of videos we have. What y'all say? Hell yeah! Insta360 in the house. Let's do this. All right, YouTube. That was the Insta360. I'm just playing around with it. Got some cool shots. What I can tell you is the audio is not that great directly coming from the 360, but that's not going to matter for me because I use an external mic. So, you know, not going to really have to worry about that. What I can tell you is most of the great shots and what could come from it is all done in editing. So if you love editing, this camera is going to be great for you. And I love creating and I love editing. So can't wait to do some more videos with the Insta360. Y'all, my next video is going to be like a tutorial on how to use it. So please like, subscribe, do all the things. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next ride.